Follicular unit extraction can be done manually and mechanically. It is a surgical procedure, and it has to be done under local anesthesia. NeoGraft is a device that provides automated follicular unit extraction, thus minimizing the operator's issues. And by being a surgeon for many, many years, when you do a procedure repetitively, 100, 200, thousands of times, there will be a small margin of error. By using a mechanical device, you minimize the operator's fatigue and distraction, and you improve the outcome. That is the beauty of automated FUE, or follicular unit extraction. And NeoGraft has come to fill that gap.